Spell exceptionally token value expectation rundown examiners project a bullish pattern for generally Spell sort of token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0015 mark, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ongoing business sector cost of one fundamentally Spell in every practical sense token explicitly is $0.000593 in a genuinely significant manner. The cost of one for the most part Spell would truly reach as extremely high as $0.0827 United States dollars by 2030, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. The negative cost expectation for truly Spell genuinely token, Spell, in 2040 by and large is $2.77, with an especially likely in every practical sense high of $3.29 in a huge way. Long-haul examination recommends that essentially Spell truly token cost might actually flood to $3.70 by 2050, with a kind of expected range somewhere in the range of $3.52 and $4.02 in a sort of significant manner. Starting around 17 December 2023, really Spell exceptionally token certainly is exchanging at $0.000593 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell essentially has an especially all-out market cap of $63,651,646, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,414,669, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. This fundamentally makes really Spell especially token, Spell, truly positioning at 446 in the digital money market in a significant way. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Spell really token cost expectation end of 2040, what will basically Spell fundamentally token essentially be especially worth in 2040 in a kind of enormous manner? Is in a real sense Spell extremely token a genuinely wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2040 in a fundamentally huge manner? Will explicitly Spell cost especially outperform its untouched for the most part high in a kind of significant manner? These sort of are for the most part Spell, especially token cost expectations for Spell's future, so long-haul examination proposes that generally Spell pretty symbolic cost might actually flood to $3.70 by 2050, with an exceptionally likely reach somewhere in the range of $3.52 and $4.02 in a genuinely large manner. Spell truly token, Spell, value expectation 2040 as per the Spell in every practical sense, token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Spell cost explicitly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.000616. The normal most certainly least value worth of truly Spell exceptionally token toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.000557 in a sort of significant way. Besides explicitly Spell can sort of arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.000634 in a truly significant manner. Spell in every practical sense, token value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of explicitly Spell exceptionally token basically is supposed to by and large be at around an especially least of $0.000557, showing that the sort of current market cost of one really Spell kind of token especially is $0.000593, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell pretty symbolic cost can fundamentally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.000634, with the truly normal cost of $0.000616 in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. Spell truly token especially past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been especially diminished by 2.12% in its sort of current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an essentially significant manner. Spell especially token fundamentally is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins in a genuinely significant manner. The spell certainly is down to nearly 6.31% in every practical sense. Most recent 7 days truly further appearance how these basically are our truly spell kind of symbolic cost expectations for spell's future. So long haul examination recommends that spell exceptionally token cost might actually flood to $3.70 by 2050. With a kind of likely reach somewhere in the range of $3.52 and $4.02 in an unpretentious manner. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past especially couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have soared areas of strength for of in any case, we don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in truly present moment. Especially further appearance how in a real sense spell truly token, spell, value expectation 2040 as per the spell genuinely token conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the spell value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a really normal value level of $0.000616. The normal pretty least value worth of explicitly spell exceptionally token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to all things considered be $0.000557, which certainly is very huge. Spell pretty symbolic value estimate 2040 facts what will in every practical sense be really spell commonly token in every practical sense worth in 2040, or so they truly thought. The spell cost truly is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0.000634, with genuinely least cost of $0.000557 toward the finish of 2040, showing the way that in a real sense spell sort of token cost can sort of arrive at an essentially limit of 0.000. Does for the most part spell truly token really have a future, which sort of is genuinely critical. As far as value, sort of spell commonly token by and large has an extraordinary certainly potential to arrive at new levels, which generally is genuinely critical. It in every practical sense is conjecture that in a real sense spell will increment in esteem, so regarding cost, especially spell certainly token especially, has an extraordinary extremely potential to arrive at new levels in an unpretentious manner in fact. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, in every practical sense, spell commonly token can especially raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0.0032 till 2030, so in every way that really matters, spell commonly token truly is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard, with most certainly other crypto coins in a very large manner. Is truly spell genuinely token extremely worth purchasing in 2040, or so they in a real sense thought. Spell token's worth by and large is supposed to generally keep on growing, as deficiency will in general for the most part energize cost rise, so the coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past genuinely couple of days, the coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for truly yet, we don't in every way that really matters, imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment, exceptionally further appearance, how truly spell kind of token, spell, value expectation 2040 as per the spell in every way that really matters, token conjecture cost and specialized